Welcome to my kitchen and let us cook together. I am so happy to have you here today and I look forward to sharing this delicious recipe with you.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are preparing authentic butter chicken, so let us start with our fresh ingredients. Beginning with the chicken.
Adding 200 grams of cashews to the pot with 2 tablespoons of oil now, making sure to stir them gently until they reach a perfect golden brown color for the recipe today.
Butter chicken dinner tonight.
The perfect combination with butter chicken is definitely freshly baked naan bread, which is why it is essential to serve them together for the best possible experience.